What's up, gang? Y'all already know what it is. I'm back with another prank. I'm back. Y'all already know what it is. G by the title below. Y'all should already know what's finna go down and all that. So look, listen. I'm trying to do this prank on my mama. I'm gonna see how it work out because I really don't know what I'm finna put this how I'm finna put this blood in my mouth while she in the car. But basically, she gonna be driving or whatever, and I'm gonna be on the passenger side, and I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna just be like, I'm vlogging today or whatever, and somehow I'm gonna get the blood in my mouth. And while she driving, I'm gonna get the coughing and all that. And I'm gonna be like, I don't feel good and all that. And I'm like, I feel kind of dizzy. Yeah, y'all know. I don't know how I'm gonna say it, but it's gonna be something like that. And yeah, we gonna make this lit. You already know. But make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification if you ain't already did that for more videos, because it's finna get lit. We finna drop bangers. Like, we dropping bangers, G. Like, I'm really trying to post as much as I can, like back to back, you know. So make sure y'all hit that make sure y'all get that motherfucking bell, the ring a ding a ding, and make sure y'all stay tuned for this prank. I went to Party City. I went to.
You be missing.
I seen it. Anyway, shit. I went to Party City and I got this. I'ma spray it in my mouth. I'ma spray a little bit in. So, yeah, it's lit. Make sure y'all stay tuned though. And I guess I'ma have the camera in my hand because I can't find my tripod. I'ma have to look for it. If I can find it, then we gonna use that, A1. But if not, I'm gonna have the camera in my hand. So, you know, I might have to turn my head and spray it or whatever. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned.
They asked you that. I meant to tell you that too, but I forgot. What?
Maggie called the shoes that you just got ugly. The shoes are not ugly. The red ones are.
What? How about them too? What you mean?
EJ, sit back, EJ. Sit back. Sit back.
It was just.
Say hey to the vlog.
Something cold on there.
Say hey to the vlog.
Anyway, that was my cup that was cold.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hey guys.
Booger nose. That's that light skin stuff. Najee, say hey.
Yeah, look at this donut. Look at this donut.
Say gang gang.
I'm wearing a donut.
Say gang gang. Says potty train.
What?
Gang
Potty
gang.
train.
Yeah. We've been gang since potty train.
These are boys and stuff.
That wasn't that long ago for you.
What?
Potty training.
Potty
You
train.
just learned how to pee on the toilet.
No. That was around when I was 2 or something. That was way past over there. Talking about just now. Najee just now getting potty trained.
Don't lie, my
If you
son.
wanna
He
talk.
have accidents every now and then, but he know how to pee in the toilet.
If you want to get technical.
Being in the bed sometimes ain't called not being potty trained. It's called you need to wake him up at night to go pee.
No. Legs. She like, why you recording me? She like, why you asking all those questions? This camera bright. This your chin, her and all.
Turn the damn corner today.
Oh,
What the hell you got?
ooh, I done caught something at work. I ain't been feeling right for a little while.
Don't start that shit. We used to do the same thing.
What? She gonna be like, look, they trying to talk it out. Like, so you gonna hit my car? Okay.
Right, and that's how you feel?
It's like, see, I ain't even mean. It don't be no scratch on nobody's car. They be still sitting there waiting for the police. Like, if y'all don't let them go.
People stupid though. They understand that still goes on their insurance. It makes their insurance go up. Accident. You want to sit up here and report some shit that ain't even nothing wrong. You gotta see that for real. Is you coughing up blood?
She coughing up blood.
Oh, you need to go to the hospital for real now.
Oh my.
What was you just doing? Girl, what the hell? You gonna make me crash. Shit.
What is this? I knew it was something. I knew it was something. What is this?
You ugly.
Yeah. What? I told you I wasn't feeling right. EJ all in my face. You want to catch it too?
No.
Did I get you? This is a prank.
If you'd have made me crash, it would have been.
we was almost flipped over.
Damn, mouth wouldn't have been open.
She thought I
then.
had TB for real.
What happened?
You was scared.
Shine. Shine,
You
what
was
did-
scared.
Ugly.
What did you do?
I got fake blood.
My G like record me, Lex.
Oh my god. How it feel to get pranked?
Blood.
Did you fall for it?
Is that fake blood?
Yeah, this
She
is
fell
blood.
for it, y'all.
Let me go there.
She
And
fell
Lex knew
for
too,
it.
and she gonna play.
She sprayed it in my mouth. I
Y'all
turned my
suck.
head like this.
Oh, I ain't even see y'all. Man, I ain't got time to play.
We lit, y'all. We dropping bangers all summer. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, y'all.
Well,
That car right there. Oh, it's somebody right
wait, Sean.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Did I get you?
Y'all done got now.
Did I get you?
Girl, shut up.
Y'all know it.
See if you can find my bag. Y'all
Bangers.
In here or not.
Bang, bangers.
Get out of here.
Got it. Got it, y'all. We got her, EJ. We got her.
And what's the name of the
No,
one
you
on
didn't. You
You
did
finna
not
get out. You
just
better run.
get her. You
I got her, EJ.
Sean, no, you got me too.
I know.
You can throw that cup away.
I
Got you.
was surprised.
Yeah, y'all already know what it is. We dropping bangers. I just wanted to get her reaction, and I got it. You know, I just wanted to get that reaction. Got that reaction. It was a success. Like I said, I didn't think it was gonna go through because you know my mama don't believe nothing. Like I thought she was gonna believe it. I mean, I thought she wasn't gonna believe it, but she believed it, y'all. What y'all think about that prank? It was cool.
Yes. No.
Thumbs up if y'all like that prank though. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification for more videos, and we're gonna get back at y'all with another video.
Bye.